Remember, cannabis representing flow stripping beats. Dating in a muddy upon the stage. You see me? Yes, remember the big party that come up in the 13th of August. They go turn up full. Keep it up, keep it selfie, keep
Nobody
it
now free. Yo.
A 13 August.
Yeah, 13th of August.